What is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I bought two drones and one of them is ready for the giveaway. So the rules for the giveaway are in the middle of this video, so please make sure you watch this video till end. And this is the drone for which I will be doing the giveaway, so please follow me on the Instagram. And now we will do the unboxing and then we will do the test flying of this drone, so please stay tuned.
A few moments later.
So guys, these are the two drones and now we will do the unboxing. As you can see, the box size is very large, and let's do the unboxing. There are many specifications on the box, so here is everything. Here is the user manual, and here is the transmitter. I don't need to tell you everything about this transmitter. It is not having GPS in the transmitter, but there is a GPS in the drone, and there is a small LCD and all these buttons. And here are the 4 extra propellers for the drone. In the case if the propellers are broken or maybe they are damaged a little bit, then you can use those propellers. And here is the main drone. Here is the battery. The battery is 7.4 volts and 1800 mAh battery. There is a lock behind, and there is a USB charger. There is a USB charger to micro USB, and this is a 3S LiPo charger. And there is a 2S LiPo charger also. There are 2 LED indicators, and the good thing about this drone is we get a micro SD card with it. Here's a 8GB micro SD card from MJX, and other than that we have the propellers opener and few more things. These are just extras. And here is the main drone.
Feeling.
A few moments later.
And again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way
you enjoyed this video, and the rules for the giveaway are: you will have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and let me know in the comment section why you want this drone. And most important is, go and follow me on the Instagram account, as I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram account.